Imagine owning a home that moves with you wherever you go. Not a small camper, but a true executive-level living space on wheels. Today on Mobix Auto, we're taking a closer look at this Scania-based luxury motorhome. A vehicle that looks intimidating from the outside, yet feels like a modern hotel suite once you step inside. From the exterior, this motorhome immediately commands attention. Finished in a deep gloss black with sharp flowing graphics, the body looks long, low, and incredibly confident. The front fascia features a bold grille, chrome accents, and aggressive lighting that give it the presence of a high-end VIP coach. What truly sets it apart is the triple-axle setup, providing superior stability, smooth highway manners, and serious load-carrying capability. This is not a casual weekend RV. It's built for long-distance travel with authority. Step into the driver's cabin, and the futuristic atmosphere becomes clear. The dashboard is clean and modern, finished in dark materials with carbon fiber-style accents, complemented by subtle blue ambient lighting that flows across the cockpit. At the center sits a large infotainment display for navigation and vehicle control, while additional screens on both sides enhance visibility and information access. The layout feels more like a modern command center than a traditional motorhome cockpit. The driver's seat itself is a premium captain's chair, heavily cushioned, finely stitched, and clearly designed for long hours behind the wheel. Physical control buttons are neatly arranged across the center console, handling climate control, seat heating, and vehicle systems. Everything within easy reach, blending luxury with real functionality. Moving into the living area is where this motorhome truly transforms. The interior design follows a dark, minimalist luxury theme, with matte black cabinetry and warm LED lighting tracing the ceiling lines and furniture edges. The result is calm, private, and incredibly upscale. One of the standout features is the dedicated workspace. A long desk setup with multiple monitors, a full keyboard, and an ergonomic office chair turns this motorhome into a mobile command office. This isn't just a place to check emails. It's built for serious work, content creation, or business management on the road. The bedroom continues the same refined design language. A large, comfortable bed sits against a clean paneled wall with soft ambient lighting, creating a true hotel suite atmosphere. There's no clutter, no unnecessary decoration, just clean lines, premium finishes, and a sense of quiet luxury. The bathroom is another highlight. Enclosed in full glass, the shower area features marble-style surfaces that elevate it far beyond typical RV standards. The toilet and fixtures are neatly integrated, giving the space a modern, spa-like feel rarely seen in motorhomes. The galley kitchen completes the living space with the same blacked-out elegance. Matte cabinetry, a clean countertop, integrated sink, and subtle under-cabinet lighting make it feel more like a modern apartment kitchen than something built on a vehicle. Every detail is intentional, refined, and premium. In conclusion, this Scania luxury motorhome is far more than just a large vehicle. It's a perfect balance between bold, commanding exterior design and a high-end, modern living space inside. With its futuristic cockpit, professional workspace, luxury bedroom, glass bathroom, and refined kitchen, this is a motorhome designed for those who want to travel without sacrificing comfort, productivity, or style. So here's the question. Would you rather stay in a hotel or bring the hotel with you wherever you go? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mobix Auto, where we showcase vehicles that redefine freedom, luxury, and life on the road.